going to ask you some questions related to your first unit, personality development. Are you ready?
Yes.
आप लोग तैयारी नहीं करें वर्कबुक से? रीडर से करें?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. रीडर को बैठाइए. The first question start here. What is the name of the English reader? Development, very nice. What are the sub-units covered under personality development? Those who can raise hand, yes, tell me.
Attitude is altitude.
Attitude is altitude.
Every success story is also a story of great failure.
Every success story is also a story of great failure.
I will do it.
I will do it. And what is the fourth item? It is everything. Reading text. Thank you. Please question. What do you understand from attitude is altitude? Attitude is altitude. What do you mean by attitude and what do you mean by altitude? Yes? Those who can raise hands. Yes.
What you talk, the way you walk, the way you speak out, it is called as attitude. Altitude means height.
Altitude means height. Attitude means behavior.
Yes,
Correct?
behavior.
So, attitude is related. Yes? Popular? So, means popularity. Attitude, behavior, altitude, height means popularity. So, tell me, those who wants to increase your popularity. Those who wants to increase your popularity, raise hands. जो लोग अपना आना जरा दिखना, तो आप सब पॉपुलरिटी बनाना चाहते हैं?
Yes.
Are you ready to get the popularity?
Yes.
Now, can you tell me how did Nick Vujicic made his popularity? How did Nick Vujicic made his popularity? Nick Vujicic ने अपनी popularity कैसे बनाई? Yes?
लिम्स रहने की वजह से वो अपनी लाइफ में अपने कठिनाइयों को भी खत्म करे और दूसरों की कठिनाइयों को भी उनकी लाइफ से निकाले एज अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर.
Good. Nice answer. So, what we see the Nick Vujicic not only cross his odds related to his life, but also gave others encouragement by being a motivational speaker. Idea clear? Motivational speaker. Raise hands. Those who wants to become motivational speaker. आप जो लोग motivational speaker बनना चाहते हैं हाथ उठाइए. Become motivational speaker.
Yes.
Do you want to do hard work?
Yes.
Nice. So have you prepared to do hard work?
Yes.
Okay. So then get ready. I am going to ask the next question. When did he born almost without any limbs? What do you mean by limbs?
No legs and no hands.
Now what is limbs? What is limbs?
Legs and arms.
Legs and arms are known as limbs, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, have you seen any other person like Nick Vujicic in your life?
No.
If you have seen, raise your hands. Those who have not seen, you know his name? Not known. But you have seen. Okay, good. Not have any limbs. Can you tell me in a single word? Vujicic, when he was a young man. Yes?
Steve Apple.
Steve Apple. Do you mean to say apple that we buy from outside in the market? Not. Name of a person. Good. Thank you. Did the Nick Vujicic's parents have? What is the name of the disease suffered by Nick Vujicic according to medical term? Boys, according to medical term. Phocomelia. Lesson taken by Nick Vujicic after he grew up. What are the two occupations taken by Nick Vujicic? When he grew up, he became a financial planner of real estate and also simultaneously was answer. Bujisik, the best encouragement in his life. Who gave Nick Bujisik the best encouragement in his life? Yes? Boy, father. Is it correct? I want.
He read a newspaper article. From that, he got an encouragement. The article was about disabled man.
Disabled man.
Yes.
Who was that man?
His life.
Okay. What was the next encouragement received by him? Who was the person gave him the second most encouragement? Who was that person? That Nick Bujisik got his encouragement and he learned something from him or her. Who was that? Who was he? When he was 12 years old, what happened to Bethany Hamilton? When she was 12 years old, what happened to Bethany Hamilton? Yes?
Her arm was bitten off by a shark.
Her arm was bitten up by a shark. Surfing master for you. Nick Bujisik. She was the surfing master of Nick Bujisik. Good. Correct. Bethany Hamilton. Nick Bujisik body that was not found, that is not found with other person. Yes?
He can spin 360 degrees.
He could spin himself up to 360 degrees within a short period of time. What do you mean?
Whole round.
A complete round.
A complete round.
A complete round without break. That is called 360 degrees. Good. Surfer magazine gave to Nick Bujisik. What did Surfer magazine give? What did Surfer magazine give to Nick Bujisik? What did Surfer magazine give to Nick Bujisik?
No one has ever done the history of surfing.
Award. Highest rate of surfing award.
Good.
Where did Nick Bujisik meet Bethany Hamilton? Yes?
ये बच्चे
Why did Nick Bujisik go to Hawaii? Where did Nick Bujisik go to Hawaii? To meet Bethany Hamilton. To meet Bethany Hamilton. Story in newspaper. How many countries did Nick Bujisik travel? Yes? 24 countries. Good. What's your name? About bin? Say, very good. At least
1,10,000 people.
1,10,000 people. Tell me, what is the age of Nick Bujisik right now as of 2015? Yes? How did you calculate? He is 32 years age now. Can you tell me? Can you prove how he is 32 years age now? Yes, tell me.
By the article published in 1st of July 2009. About since 2009 to 2015, he is now 32 years old. At that time, he was 2009, he was 26, so now he is 32 years old.
32 years. Considering the,
Calculation.
calculating the 2015, that age between 2009 and 15. Good.
Play football, swimming,
He used to play football.
swimming, surfing.
एक एक करके बोलो. Play football. He used to play football. Play golf. And
He fond of golf, swimming, surfing and skating.
skating. Nick born. What happened to Nick's mother when Nick born? Yes. Girls, raise hands properly. If you are answering, raise your hand. She was in shock. Who was in shock?
Her mother.
Whose mother?
Nick's mother.
Nick's mother. Nick's mother was shocked. Why?
His son's is torso.
His son born as a torso. Thank you. Call it a chicken drumstick. Why did Nick call it a chicken drumstick? What was the chicken drumstick?
A small foot on his left hip.
A small foot on his hip is known as chicken drumstick. The name was given.
Melbourne, Australia.
He born in Melbourne, Australia. He born in
Melbourne, Australia.
Melbourne, Australia. Can you tell me where is Melbourne? In Australia. Where is he live now? Los Angeles. Los Angeles. What do you mean Los Angeles? Where is Los Angeles? It's in America. Which America? Southwestern side of
America.
United States of America.
State of America.
Good, correct answer.
Okay.
Los Angeles. Pacific Ocean, correct answer. Related to attitude is altitude. Now we are moving to every success story is a story of great failure. Can you tell me who was Abraham Lincoln? Those who know, raise hands. Who was Abraham Lincoln? Yes. 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 Anybody else?
Vice President of
Yes. 16th President of the United States of America. Correct answer. Quiz from debate in Hyderabad Mission High School, Salibanda, Hyderabad. As you can see, the boys and girls are sitting here. We are in the process. So next question. Next question. How many times Abraham Lincoln failed in his mission? How many times Abraham Lincoln failed in his mission according to the story given to you? According to the story given to you. I want single answer from a single girl. Yes, those who dare give answer. What's your good name? Answer loudly. Answer loudly. I ask your name. Abraham Lincoln finally succeeded in his life at which age? At the age of 52. What did he get at the age of 52?
President of United States of
He
America.
became the president of
United States of America.
America. So many times you fail and then become success.
Yes, sir. I like that.
So you like to fail in life to become success.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sit down. Lose his wife. When did Abraham Lincoln lose his wife? Yes. Come on, tell me. At the age of?
26.
At the age of 26.
Sabah.
Who was leading forest? Inventor of? Triumph. Have you seen it? No. Do you know how does it work? Where do we use it? Triode tube. What is triode tube? What is triode tube? Yes.
Tube having 3 dots.
And electronic.
Having 3 active electrodes.
That's all. Okay. Leading forest. Very good. Correct answer. Who was Colonel Sanders? He was an American businessman.
He started the KFC.
He started the KFC.
Yes.
And prior to that, he was a colonel in American military. Yes, tell me.
He was an American businessman. He started KFC.
He started KFC
After retirement.
after his retirement from.
Military.
Who was Colonel Sanders? Yes, tell me.
He was an American businessman. And he started the KFC after his retirement in military.
Yeah, after his retirement from
Military.
yes,
He started business
and started a business chain
KFC.
known as
KFC.
KFC. Okay.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah.
First car.
First card and become famous as Lee Iacocca. Who was Lee Iacocca? American businessman known for his engineering in the field of making Mustang and Ford. Originally, he was an American businessman known as Lee, and he made some books. I will do it. What is the story of I will do it? Why?
Nagavara Ramaroy Narayana Murthy.
It is the story of
Famous person. Nagavara Ramaroy Narayana Murthy, owner of the Infosys.
owner of the
Infosys.
Infosys.
Yes.
Was the Indian?
Yes.
Good. Who says I will do it? Who says I will? Narayana Murthy. Okay.
Infosys, IT leading company world.
Okay. What is the full form of Narayana Murthy? Yes.
Nagavara Ramaroy Narayana Murthy.
Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy. Tell me. Sudha Murthy. Correct answer. Sudha Murthy. He belongs to a very poor family. Good. What's your name? Very good. Because Narayana Murthy's friend were going to Madras to take entrance in IIT. How was this season?
मालूम है?
Correct answer. On 1962, correct answer. Copy of Bhagavad Gita given here in this story. What is the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita given here in this story?
That your worst enemy is yourself.
Very good. Your worst enemy is yourself. What is philanthropist? What is philanthropist?
Puts his service or wealth for the mankind.
One who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind is known as philanthropist.
इधर इधर
ईमानदारी से हाथ उठाओ जो अपनी मेहनत और पैसे समाज के लिए छोड़ना चाहते हैं। Yes. वो तो पता चल ही रहा है। पहले तो वादा करने में क्या नुकसान है ना? होने के लिए तो कुछ है नहीं है, तो वादा करने में क्या नुकसान चाहते हैं? लेकिन दोस्तों, फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट बनने के लिए आपको कुछ मेहनत करना है, आपको पहले पैसे कमाना है और वो पैसे को समाज को बांटना है। उसको बोलते हैं फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट। उसको बोलते हैं फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट। अब खाली आप फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट बनने चले हैं। Have you learned the story of elderly carpenter? Have you learned the story of elderly carpenter? Sir. Those who know, raise hands. Can you tell me why that old carpenter did not like to listen the last request of the builder? He wanted to retire.
Yes.
And he didn't want to work any further.
Yes. The house is going to give to him.
क्वेश्चन को जबरदस्ती पढ़ाने का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं मुझे। Can you tell me if The carpenter had knowledge of the gift that his builder was giving him.
Happy.
He would have been very happy.
Okay, thank you.
Life is a do-it-yourself project. Life is a do-it-yourself project. Is it correct? Attitude is everything. What do you mean by attitude is everything? What is attitude? सवाल पूछा मैं. Attitude is behavior. What is attitude is everything. Behavior is everything. आप behave करेंगे, आपके जिंदगी के रास्ता वैसे खुलते जाएंगे. How is the behavior or attitude of the person first mentioned in this story? Tell me.
Happy and content.
He was happy and content. Did he have willpower? Understood? Correct answer. Happy. Correct answer. Unhappiness and uncontent. Yeah.
Wise man.
Yes?
A wise man.
A wise man. Good. Do you think the wise man who gave Hafiz a piece of advice was mischievous? Yes? Do you think the wise man who gave Hafiz a piece of advice was malicious? वो वाइज मैन जिसने हाफिज को कुछ एडवाइस दिया था, क्या वो गलत आदमी था?
Yes.
He was a wise man was a,
Yes, he was greedy.
he was greedy.
Yes.
He was a greedy man. Yes, you are correct. Viewers, especially the students of class 10, those are studying in English medium school, I hope you have watched this conversation class or quiz class or debate class with rapt attention. This is participated by the students of Hyderabad Mission High School, Salibanda, Hyderabad. I hope you will find it encouraging for your own study. Thank you very much. English grammar. Okay. Get ready to answer the questions. Okay. Get ready to answer the questions. The first question is, what is a letter? What is a letter? What is a letter?
Next letters.
Alphabet.
In English alphabet, those who knows, raise hands. Those who knows, raise hands. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Boys, how many letters are there in English alphabet? अंग्रेजी के अल्फाबेट में कितने लेटर्स है? हाथ उठाओ बेटा. Yes, stand up. 26 letters.
Yes.
Tell me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Did he miss anything? No. What do we do by using the letters? What do we do by using the letters? लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हुए अपन क्या करते हैं? Words. Correct answer. How many different type of words are there? Yes. Hands down. लोग शर्म है. Different type of words are there. Hey, can you tell me what are the 8 different types?
Preposition, preposition, conjunction.
Yes.
Noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Good, very good. Those who know, raise hands. Yes, tell me.
Name of a person.
Name of a person is a noun. Yes,
Noun is the name of a person, animal, thing, etc.
good. Yes, anybody can.
Thing, etc.
Noun is the name of a person. Noun is the name of a place.
It is used in place of noun.
Any other example?
A pronoun is used in the place of noun or forms of noun.
Or
Forms of noun.
for a noun.
For a noun.
For a noun. What is an adjective? Yes. What is an adjective?
Noun. Like his tallest, giraffe is the tallest animal. Like that.
A word that is used in to show the quality of a noun is known as
Adjective.
adjective. For example,
The quality of a noun.
girls, what is the verb? Yes,
A verb is an action like drinking, going, walking.
a verb is a word that shows the action of a noun. Word that shows the action of a noun or pronoun is known as verb.
Place of verb.
Not in place of verb.
Used to qualify the verb.
A adverb that
Used to qualify the verb.
used to qualify a verb.